Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramata Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about French parsley. French parsley, also known as curly chervil, is a delicate herb often described as a subtle cousin to the parsley with hints of tarragon and anise. Popular in French cuisine and cherished by chefs for its refined flavor, French parsley adds a gourmet touch to any dish, and it's incredibly simple to grow at home. While not as common in American gardens as basil or cilantro, French parsley is a hidden gem that brings elegance to both the kitchen and the herb bed. It was a staple in ancient Roman and medieval kitchens, and today remains a cornerstone of the classic French fins herbes blend, along with tarragon, chives, and parsley. If you've ever tasted a velvety French omelet with a whisper of licorice-like aroma, chervil is probably what gave it that distinctive flavor. The plant itself looks like a cross between flatleaf parsley and a feathery fern. Its lacy green leaves grow in a rosette and can reach about 12 to 24 inches in height. While it looks fragile, it's quite resilient, especially in cooler weather. French parsley prefers spring and fall temperatures and thrives in partial shade, making it perfect for spots that get morning sun but stay cooler during the day. To grow French parsley successfully, sow seeds directly into the moist, rich soil. It doesn't transplant well due to its delicate taproot, so start where you want it to grow. Keep the soil consistently damp but not soggy. Once the plants are established, you can begin harvesting the outer leaves by snipping close to the base. Regular harvesting prevents it from bolting too early, especially in warm climates. When it does flower, the small white blossoms can still attract beneficial insects like hoverflies and ladybugs. In the garden, French parsley is a great companion to lettuce, spinach, chives, and radishes. Its light scent and ferny texture don't overwhelm other herbs, and it helps attract pollinators while not being overly aggressive. Because of its preference for cooler, moister conditions, it can also be tucked beneath taller herbs or leafy greens to create a microclimate that keeps its leaves tender. In the kitchen, French parsley is best used fresh. Cooking can dull its subtle flavors, so it's usually added at the end of the dish, sprinkled over soups, folded into scrambled eggs, or stirred into cream sauces. You can use it to add brightness to mashed potatoes, herbal vinaigrettes, or seafood dishes. Nutritionally, it contains modest amounts of vitamin C, calcium, and iron, and its traditional medicinal use includes promoting digestion and easing mild stomach upset. If you're harvesting for storage, freeze drying, or finely chopping and freezing it in oil preserves the flavor better than air drying. Some gardeners even grow chervil indoors year round in pots in their kitchen windowsills so they can keep the delicate flavor on hand at all times. French parsley may not be the loudest herb in the garden, but it brings refinement and a touch of old world charm to meals. Whether you're growing it for its culinary magic or to diversify your herb collection, French parsley is a flavorful and rewarding choice worth discovering. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more plant profiles. Until next time, happy gardening.